Hello and welcome. I'm going to give you a Wednesday quickie, which more or less meaning that I will not be on camera and I'm going to make this quick as possible. We are going to be making shoestring onion rings today in the air fryer, which are absolutely my favorite way of doing onion rings. I will be using a sweet onion and I'm going to thinly slice this. I finished slicing my onion. This is how thin. I have 1 beaten egg and some pre-made onion ring batter mix. This is what I'm using. If you're interested, you can go ahead and season your own flour if you would rather. I'm going to coat the onions with the beaten egg. Drip off the excess. And then into our batter. I'm going to go ahead and coat these well. Now that our rings are all battered, I'm going to lightly spray these with olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and put these in. I'm going to go ahead and overlap. They should be okay. Okay, I'm going to start these off on 400 degrees for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is up. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over. So I flip these over and spray them lightly with olive oil. I'm going to put these back in. We do not need to go much longer. I have it set on 400 degrees for 2 minutes. Okay, here is a quick look. They turned out wonderful. I hope you give it a try. And don't forget, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, consider doing so. I upload videos weekly. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.